guys, so we're gonna be talking about Black Beauty Avante, which is a Hyundai Elantra Sport with the big turbo. I'm gonna be doing a couple series about this car. I'm gonna be doing a couple upgrades too. That's what is gonna be showing in the videos, in the series of the videos. This build that I'm gonna be doing something new using ChatGPT, which is a AI platform. And basically, she was telling me to buy this kind of turbo, the Westgate that I got over there, and the blow valve, which I got it somewhere over here. And basically, that's what it's gonna be doing in this video series. Hopefully, you guys enjoy it. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Hello, guys. Now we're gonna be working with Black Beauty Avante. We're gonna be fixing the head on this car. We got another head right there, so we're gonna be removing this one so we can take the car to the muffler man or the welder to see if all the parts brand new, he can make them fit and work. Alright guys, so we're gonna be doing compression test, and we're gonna be doing air compressor leak test, something like that is called. So that one is gonna be checking if we got any oil rings before we take out the whole engine out, or the head, because we're not gonna be removing the head and then we have to remove the whole engine. So we just want to make sure that it's a valve or if it's a piston that got damaged. Okay, number one is on 90. Second, 130. Third, only 30. Okay, fourth, 120. So the issue is on the number 3. We're gonna be checking a leak test to see if it's the piston or the valve. Right now we're trying to figure out how to use this machine since we have never used it. All right, guys. So second and fourth, it got seal compression, but on 1 and 3 is leaking. So we're gonna be removing the head, but we're gonna remove first the valve cover to see if it was like a spring or something like that, if it come out. But we're thinking it could be the head that has to be completely removed. Alright guys, so we're gonna be switching plans. We're gonna remove everything out since it's gonna be way easier to work outside. Alright guys, that's it for this part. This is gonna be a series because we're gonna be editing the mufflers, and we're gonna be putting other parts. So that's why I'm doing this in series. We're gonna rebuild this engine whatever it happens, and then after that we're gonna turn it on, but we're not gonna put almost nothing back, so we can take it to the welder like this, so it could be easier for him to work on it. All right guys, see you in the next part.